What would really happen if you did a 2-minute plank every single day? No gym, no equipment, just your body, the floor, and 2 minutes of pure willpower. The answer might surprise you because the benefits go far beyond getting a six-pack. Planks are one of the most underrated core exercises out there. They look simple, but anyone who's ever held a proper plank for more than 30 seconds knows it burns. So I decided to test it. 2 minutes every single day. No excuses. And here's what really happened. Muscles. Let's start with the muscles you train. Planks are a full-body isometric exercise. They primarily target your core, especially your rectus abdominis, obliques, and transversus abdominis, but they also activate your shoulders, chest, glutes, and even your legs. After just a few days, I noticed my posture improving. I was standing taller, walking with more control, and sitting with less back pain. That's because planks strengthen the deep stabilizer muscles that support your spine. Around day 7, my core started feeling tighter. Not necessarily visible abs yet, but definitely more control, more stability, and less lower back stress. By day 14, 2 minutes started feeling easier. I could hold the position with better form, breathe calmly, and even focus on squeezing specific muscle groups. And by the 3rd week, something unexpected happened. My performance in other exercises improved. My push-ups felt stronger, my squats were more stable, and even my balance during daily movements got better. Fat loss and abs. Now, what about fat loss or getting a six-pack? Here's the truth. Planks alone won't burn enough calories to melt belly fat. Visible abs are built in the kitchen, not just on the floor. But planks will build the foundation your body needs to perform better, feel stronger, and avoid injuries. And here's something most people forget. The mental benefits are huge. Holding a plank for 2 minutes a day doesn't just train your body, it trains your mind. It builds discipline, focus, and resilience. You learn to stay calm in discomfort. If you can hold a plank when your body wants to quit, you'll find it easier to show up for yourself in everything else you do. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. 2 minutes a day is a small investment for a stronger core, better posture, and sharper mental toughness. Start small. Even 30 seconds is a win. Then build up to 1 minute and eventually 2. You'll be amazed at what your body and your mind can adapt to. If this helped or motivated you, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with someone ready to take on the 2-minute challenge. And remember, consistency is always stronger than motivation.